Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm drawing a very special custom drawing for Ernest Greenwood. As you can see, I already started to drawing before recording, and that's because I was not planning to make a video out of this, but once I started to draw the eyes, I felt like that is going to be a great drawing, so I had to share this with you guys as well. So Ernest messaged me on Instagram and asked for a very special A4 size drawing. He sent me lots of images and references he wanted me to include in his drawing. So basically, he wanted a split drawing with Super Saiyan Blue evolution on the right and a kinda rose evolution on the left with dark auras. For the pose, he wanted this iconic stance of Zamasu with the halo behind him. The Saiyan will have longer hair and a scar on his face, and as for the outfit, he wanted something like this, but in black. And to finish this up, he wanted the Saiyan to have key swords on both hands. Sounds like a lot, and it actually was a lot to consider, but I like challenges, so let's see what I can create with this information. So like the video guys, subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you in the end again. adding the final details to the aura, and then this amazing drawing for Ernest is done. This one was very tough, but also very fun to create. I really enjoyed this as it's a very different drawing and a lot is going on here. It's so powerful, the colors are so vibrant and everything matches perfectly together. Ernest is also very happy with his first ever order, and that's the most important. Let me know in the comments what you think of this and like the video to show me your support. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, the full-time version of this I will upload on my real-time channel. This drawing is not available on my shop as it belongs to the commissioner, but on my shop you can find lots of original drawings of mine and also prints. If you are ever interested in a custom drawing, send me a message on Instagram, and that's it for today. Thank you all for watching and I see you on the next